welcome to my channel. My name is Belao. So today I am at the light rail terminal station here in Marina CMS. This is going to be the main terminal for the blue line and the red line project. The construction of the blue line has been ongoing for more than a decade, but due to finances it was delayed for some years. For more than a decade now it's been ongoing, but construction has resumed fully back on site. So today I am at the Marina Station that will be constructed. So I'll be showing you everything, the construction ongoing here at the Marina Station. So guys, follow me, let me take you along and see the construction ongoing here for yourself. So guys, let's go. The Lagos Rail Mass Transit is an urban rail system being developed and managed by the Lagos Metropolitan Area Transport Authority, LAMATA. LAMATA has proposed 7 lines in the Lagos network: red, blue, green, yellow, purple, brown and orange. There are 2 lines under construction presently, the blue and red line. I already covered some aspect of the red line. You can click on the link above if you want to know more about the red line project. The blue line is a 27.5 km rail line that starts from Marina to Okokomaiko. This line will have 13 stations. The line will run on the surface ground of the Lagos-Badagry Expressway between Egbu-Elerin Road in Okokomaiko and Igomu. It will then be elevated from Igomu, passing the junction with Erikmo Road, crossing just south of the National Theatre, then south to Lagos Island with a station at Marina. The line will operate over a secure and exclusive right of way with no level crossings and no uncontrolled access by vehicle or pedestrians. The blue line, which is being constructed by China Civil Engineering Construction Company (CCECC), is divided into phases, which are National Theatre to Maitu section, Maitu to Okokomaiko section, and National Theatre to Marina section. The first section of the network, phase 1 of the blue line, was originally planned to be completed in 2011, but was not possible because of funding shortfalls. The National Theatre to Maitu section is 90% completed, and there are stations at National Theatre, Alaba and Maitu. According to CCECC, it was noted that 11 stations have been completed. Coming from Eko Bridge through Akogban through CMS, you will be directed to go and pass through Marina because this road is presently closed due to construction ongoing for the light rail. So guys, let me show you the update and you can see the construction ongoing here as well for yourself. As you can see, I'm currently walking on the road because the road is closed. So the highway is closed presently because of the construction going on around here. So I'll give you the updates. I'll show you everything around this area presently here in CMS.
The Lagos State Government recently announced plans to divert traffic on the National Theatre Marina axis for the next 7 months for works on the Blue Line rail projects. We can see that the diversion has started and part of the section of the road is totally blocked for vehicles. There is a traffic management plan (TMP) that is addressing the impact of the construction work on traffic and subsequently helps to eliminate traffic related issues. Vehicles are diverted to the descending ramp of Ebuteru to link Marina Ring Road through a diversion point. Vehicles are also diverted to Chapel Street along Apongbon to access Broad Street.